Jazza-belles, welcome to my channel where we talk about beauty, fashion, and vegan recipes. Today I have a delicious weeknight recipe for you. We have chickpea, broccoli, and rice casserole. This is super delicious and it's very healthy. So before we get into the recipe, make sure you like and subscribe. I am watching you. Okay? Alright, let's get into the recipe.
Okay, so first we're going to start off with 1/2 tablespoon of plant-based butter, and we're going to melt that in a saucepan over low to medium heat. Then we're going to add 1 cup of rice, and we're going to toast the rice for 3 minutes. Alrighty, let's add in our vegetable stock. We're going to add 1 cup of vegetable stock. So next I'm pulling up the vegan chicken bouillon cube. I add 1 little bouillon cube into here until it's dissolved. And you're going to cook this rice until all the liquid is evaporated. Don't worry, your rice is not going to be fully cooked. We just want to infuse it with some flavor. So next, in a cast iron skillet, we're going to add some red pepper, some shiitake mushrooms, onions, celery, and garlic. Don't worry everybody, the exact measurements are in the description box below. We're going to saute this for about a good 5 minutes, and next we're going to add 2 tablespoons of flour. We're going to make our roux, so we're going to mix everything together, and next we're going to add 3/4 cup of canned coconut milk, 1/2 cup of almond milk, and then we're going to add, there you go. Then we're going to add 1 1/2 cup of vegetable stock, and we're going to cook this. Now while you're cooking this, it's going to thicken up. Add 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 cup of nutritional yeast, and 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika. And you're going to mix this all together. So really you don't have to worry about adding salt because it's already salty enough because of bouillon cube. Now add your rice and 2 cups of broccoli and 2 15-ounce cans of chickpeas. Like this right here. You're going to have enough to serve a lot of people. And you're going to mix this all together until everything is coated just like so. Next, you're going to add your Panko Crumbs to the top, and we're going to add this into the oven at 350 degrees and cook for 35 minutes. And there you have it, guys.
Alrighty, that's the recipe for you. If you like what you saw, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell and the like button as well. It's time to say our goodbyes, friends. Like I always say, stay happy, stay healthy, and always stay you, my friend.